How to Run a 5K, your step-by-step guide to running a 5K by HowExpert. If you want to learn to run a 5K the right way, then get this step-by-step How to Run a 5K guide. In this step-by-step guide, you will discover a proven and tested method to run a 5K race faster by training the smart and effective way. Achieve personal satisfaction of becoming a faster runner more than ever before. Discover how to start and finish a 5K race with a new personal record time. Impress your friends and family with your new and faster running skills. How to have the runner's mindset to run faster than before. 10 golden rules for running improvement revealed. Stretching exercises for the 5K runner. Drills and warm-up tips to run a 5K faster. Find out what to eat, drink, and do before a 5K run to get the best results as much as possible. Running schedules for all running levels, beginners, intermediate, advanced, so that you can apply all these new tips contained in this one guide as you get better in the 5K race. Step-by-step running exercises explained in detail. Running form tips for a 5K race, body posture, arm and hand position, hands, leg and feet tips, and much more. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides in unique topics by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more.